I'm long Oracle 700 shares. 700 shares. ORCL. Not making. It's not making any huge moves today, so I'm going with some size on it. Up 20 bucks. Let's crack that 57 level and go. 57.30s. Come to Papa. There we go. Cracking 57. Can we get through it? Up 60 bucks. Looks like we got a lot of buyers. Looks like we're going to keep running. 57.30 is my target. Let's go. Up 80 bucks. Up 100 bucks. Yeah, we hear you. Got opening range at 58.15 crude oil. Look at this Oracle, $120. Let's go. I'm going to go ahead and take a partial off of Oracle, reducing risk down to 140 shares. Locked in 90 bucks. Oracle, new high a day. Regret not adding more shares back into it on this pullback. Sent from our target of 57.30. Oracle's looking a little top heavy right here at 20 cents. Thinking about getting out of it. My remainder. Let's give it a minute. 15 seconds on this candle. See if we can get over 20 cents. Still trying to go up. So, I mean, I'll hang out as long as it stay over $57. At yesterday's low of the day, though, support level. ORCL, thinking about shorting. Maybe not. Oracle giving us the first pullback. Shares. Shorting 500 shares of CCL. And we get a yank, we got to squeeze to the downside on it as well. Come to Papa. No bouncing. Timing sales. I got some buyers, but see if we can keep it under the opening range. Move it back down. Adding back 300 shares into Oracle. The L's going against me. Still. Double dipping on Oracle. Maybe it was a bad idea. We want Oracle to hold that level. A lot of sellers here though. Double dipping on Oracle might have been a bad idea. Seeing some buyers coming in. Might be a fake out. Sellers are starting to come in here now, so might have to dump this thing. Alright, buyers are thinning. I mean, sellers are thinning out. Buyers are stacking up. Looking good for a bounce. CCL. I want it to break that VWAP. Let's go. Oracle. No. No. CCL. Nice yank. Being patient with these two trades. I think the markets are going to bottom out here pretty soon. Still holding Oracle. CCL is coming down. Might even be able to turn this into a green trade today. Coming to the lows. Come to Papa. CCL cracking the new low of the day. Oracle holding 50 cent. Really, Oracle's really testing my patience. The markets are coming down. New low on the NASDAQ. No, Oracle's testing the low. Has not made a new low yet. CCL making new low of the day. Oracle testing the low. Still holding this thing. CCL going to make a new low a day. Oracle trying to push back up. I'd like to see it back at VWAP. Consider getting out of it at VWAP with a small loss. CCL coming down. If we can get Oracle back to VWAP, we will be green on the day. Let's go. Patience. CCL just flushing. Beautiful. Need a little bit of cooperation out of Oracle. 20 cents. Let's go. Yeah, just give me 20 cents and I'll dump it for a small loss. Green on the day. And go to the beach. Oracle gave us a nice pop, broke above the 11 o'clock range. If it comes back under 44 cents, gonna have to dump it. CCL. CCL cracks back over the 17 cent. I'll be taking profit on that trade. Alright, so CCL bounced off the 45. Probably should have locked it in. Was really expecting it to break down. It did not. So now we're watching yesterday's low of day for resistance. Opening range, VWAP resistance. Pull back down into some profits. Oracle trying to pop back up with the markets, trying to flex back to the upside. Staying patient. Down $200 on the day, not a big deal. Oracle really tested the patience down here and just about stopped me here, but it started to move back up, so stayed long. And now we're getting back some of the losses. Looking for this to pop back up to like the 70 cent level to get out for 15-20 cent loss, small loss. Expecting CCL to reject off of one of these two resistance levels, and I'd like to see it back at 45 and lower, but we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. CL cracking down. Oracle squeezing to the upside. Squeezes open. Hasn't been able to break 50 cents. Flagging sideways. Markets are pulling down. Oracle hasn't really been following the markets since 11:30. Kind of doing its own thing. So the markets are flushing. New low of the day. I dumped the Oracle trade minus 229. Up 120 on CCL. Down $100 on the day. Not bad. And let's see. CCL, I believe it's going to come make a new low of the day and might put me in the green on the day. Let's go. Let's go. All is adding another 500 short here. Rejection of the low from yesterday, the VWAP, and the high of this previous bounce. If this thing starts to move in above 40 cent, then I'm going to take the L and call it a day. All right, CCL. Stop loss is over 40 cents. Testing it. 2 o'clock session coming up in just a couple of minutes. Looking for it to drop. Obviously, I'm short. My mistake today was double dipping on Oracle. I don't normally double dip, and I expected to bounce off of VWAP, didn't get it. My second mistake was not exiting the trade. Ended up getting out of it right over here, I believe, if I remember correctly. So mistake today was double dipping Oracle. If I hadn't have double dipped Oracle, I wouldn't have been red on that trade. When CCL came down to 45, I would have been at my daily goal for the day, and so I would have taken at least a partial, if not all of it, because I achieved my goal, right? So mistake today was double dipping Oracle. Second mistake was not exiting Oracle and actually holding it down through all of this mess. So CCL testing me for my stop here. We got 2 minutes till the 2 o'clock session, and we will see what happens. I got a feeling I'm going to take the L today. $300. I'll be back. Checking in here. 2:30 p.m. Down $95 on the day now. CCL cracked that 2 o'clock range, and we're coming down. I feel strongly that we're going to come to the low of the day, $45, at which point in time I will take a partial. But I will be paying attention at 45.10. If it bounces, I might just take it. Whatever it is, green on the day, red on the day, whatever it is. We'll see what happens. Checking back in a minute. Oh, she ripped against us. Back to the 40-cent resistance. Rejected it. Immediate dump. Following the markets, as you can see, clearly following the market. So the markets look to be heavy and coming back down. So let's see if we can get this thing back to 45.15 before the end of the day. We got 45 minutes. Trader trying not to take a L today. Let's go. All right, so it looks like this trade is going to come down to the last seconds of the day. We got 15 minutes. The markets are flushing. CCL's been following, so with any luck, it'll continue to follow and come down with the market. And if I can get it down to 45.20 by the end of the day, I'll be minus $100. Won't be that bad. Be a decent day. Not the greatest. We'll see what happens. We got 14 minutes and 30 seconds. 1 minute. Coming down. Trying to hold it for the last minute of the day. Trying to recoup a little bit of this loss. If we can get a last minute yank on this thing, we got 40 seconds. Come on down. Even. Green. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And I'm out. Minus $136. What? Well, that's the way she goes. Minus 365. Gave back all the profits from yesterday. I went from being down $30 to down 130, and just as soon as I hit the button, as it ripped all the way up to 45 cents in that last second. Probably should have took it off a couple seconds earlier. Oh well. Hope you learned from my mistake today, double dipping. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Join us in the Discord. We'll see you in the next one.